I want to go back to learning a little bit more about you and the YahYel race. Um, would you say that your DNA is more human than Zeta, or is it more 50-50?
Yeah, actually, it was before 50-50, but in a way, as we are evolving, it's in a way is getting more human, let's say. But you are also are developing, so it's more like emotional based, let's say. That's before many years or ages before. In the beginnings of the YahYel, we were sort of like maybe 60% of the gray in personality and DNA, but as we are in a way evolving, more of those human parts of us that are so joyous and emotional and the sexual. So because sexuality is something what the grace didn't have, so we are evolving those parts that are human, so it makes us still more and more human as we are even getting closer to you and you are getting closer to us, so we are evolving together. So there is also like part that is zeta for us, and we don't want to get rid of it, but we also want to transcend it. The negative part of it may be the human part that we are integrating is helping us to transcend also those parts that are zeta, and eventually it's getting still more and more intertwined. So it's not that there is half of us there is zeta and half of us human, but there is something about the blend or integration of those both into that we eventually are will not be like that you can say that we are half zeta or half human, but we are really the hybrids of it, pure integrated of both. So it's like when you have a soup with vegetables and then you can mix it. So you when you mix it, you cannot divide. Like you had the carrot there and then you have a potato. So it's everything together.
I see. Um, I'm also interested in learning a little bit about the Essassani. Would you say that they are genetically related to you at all, or are they sort of their own separate group?
Hmm. Yes, they are our brothers in a way. Of course, there are separate group because there are different races. That's why there are different races that they are still different from us. Although they have been created from the Zetas too, and your human DNA, and maybe some other help from some other DNAs, and also from ours. It's just that in a way like processes that created them have been a little bit different that they have created us. So there can be a lot of similarities, but also something that is not so similar in a way that there is very unique for them.
I see.